Understanding project summary in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used term in professional and academic settings, project summary. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to effectively use it in your own work. A project summary is a concise description of the main points of a project. It's like a brief snapshot that provides an overview of the project's goals, methods, results, and conclusions. The key is brevity and clarity, giving the reader a clear idea of the project without going into too much detail. Why is a project summary important? It serves several purposes. 1. Saves time. It gives readers a quick understanding of the project without reading the entire document. 2. Decision-making. Helps stakeholders make informed decisions based on the project's highlights. 3. First impression. Often, it's the first part of the project that people read, setting the tone for what follows. A good project summary should include: objective. What was the aim of the project? Methods. How was the project carried out? Results. What were the outcomes? Conclusion. What was the final takeaway or impact of the project? To write an effective project summary, be concise, use clear and straightforward language. Be comprehensive, cover all key aspects of the project. Be clear, avoid jargon or complex language. Be correct, ensure factual accuracy. I hope this video has shed light on what a project summary is and how you can effectively create one. Remember, it's about making a big impact with a small amount of text. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be summarizing projects like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.